Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn algorithms quickly. Focus on building a strong foundation. Begin by understanding essential data structures like arrays, linked lists, and trees. Simultaneously, learn about time and space complexity using Big O notation, which is crucial for evaluating algorithm efficiency. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to practicing fundamental algorithms such as bubble sort or linear search to solidify your understanding. Consistent practice is key to mastering algorithms. Aim to solve at least 3 to 5 problems daily on coding platforms. Don't just copy solutions. Try to implement algorithms from scratch to truly understand their mechanics. After solving, always review other approaches to broaden your perspective and discover more efficient methods. This iterative process significantly accelerates learning. Once you have a solid grasp of the basics, delve into more complex algorithms such as dynamic programming, graph algorithms, and tree traversals. Leverage high-quality online courses or classic textbooks like Introduction to Algorithms for structured learning. Engaging in weekly coding challenges will help you apply your knowledge effectively and improve your problem-solving speed under timed conditions. Learning algorithms is an ongoing journey. Apply your knowledge by incorporating algorithms into personal projects, which provides practical context and reinforces learning. Explaining complex concepts to a friend or colleague can also significantly deepen your understanding. Dedicate 15 minutes each week to exploring new algorithmic techniques or optimizations to keep your skills sharp and current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.